Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1116 only way. Start by collecting all foreign income documents, Form 1099, and receipts, then sort income by category to determine which credit sections apply. Calculate total foreign taxes paid and note currency conversions. Use clear labels for each income type, and maintain a summary worksheet to track figures before you begin entering data on Form 1116 to avoid mistakes. Begin filling out Part I to report foreign source income and foreign taxes paid, making sure all amounts match your supporting documents. Allocate income by category when you have multiple types and apply proper currency conversion rates consistently. Move through Part Roman II and subsequent parts to compute limits and the allowable credit, double-check arithmetic, and reconcile totals with your summary worksheet before transferring the final credit to Form 1040. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a handy companion to play instruction cues, set timers, or keep tax deadlines on schedule, and it looks nice on any desk. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common errors like inconsistent exchange rates, misallocated income categories, and forgetting exclusions that disqualify taxes from the credit. Verify that you did not claim taxes paid on excluded foreign housing or other excluded amounts, and ensure carryovers from prior years are entered correctly. Keep neat documentation to defend your figures, and consider a quick review of worksheet arithmetic to prevent simple mistakes before filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.